Hello students, hope you all are good. So I am back with the part 2 of tenses. As we have discussed before, in the present tense already we have discussed that further it is divided into 4 forms. So as we have discussed, the main tenses, that is present, past and future, are further divided into 4 forms. So for past tense, the 4 forms are simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, and past perfect continuous tense. So first of all, let's discuss about simple past tense. You can see on the screen, its form is V2 or past tense of the verb. V2 means verb second form. So here we have to use the past form of the verb, that is V2. Its positive statement, example you can see, I threw the ball. So threw is the verb which is used under V2. For example, throw, threw, thrown. So V2 we have to use. Its negative sentence is, form is subject plus did not plus root form of the verb. Remember one thing students, if you are using did in the sentence, if the helping verb is already in past, then the main verb will remain in its first form itself, that is present. Okay, here you can see the example, he did not or didn't write the homework. So did not or didn't, both are right. Okay, write the homework, not wrote. Write the homework. Then interrogative sentence form, did plus subject plus root form of the verb plus question mark, or question word plus did plus subject plus root form of the verb plus question mark. Example you can see, did he write the homework, question mark, or what did he write in the notebook, question mark. Both are correct. Let's see its uses. Simple past tense uses are used to denote action that took place at some moment in the past or a period of time. Okay, which the action which are taken in the past. For example, we stayed at Kanpur for 2 weeks. Second, this tense also express some past habit. For example, we usually went to the school by bus. So that was the past habit. Let's move further into past continuous tense. Its form is was or were plus ing form of the verb. So basically we have to use subject plus was or were. According to the subject, we will change the helping verb. If the subject is in singular, we will use was. If the subject is in plural, we will use were. For affirmative sentence, example is, I was playing or they were playing. For negative sentence, we have to use not in the sentence, and that is, I was not playing, they were not playing. Means subject plus was or were plus not plus ing, the form for negative sentence. For interrogative, example is, was he playing or were they playing? Let's get into the uses of past continuous tense. First one, to express an action which was in progress at some point of the time in the past. For example, they were painting the door. Second, very often simple past and past continuous tense are used together. This denotes that an action that took place in the past while another action was in progress. For example, Nitin was sleeping when the telephone bell rang. See, here two tenses are together, that is simple past and past continuous. Simple past past continuous, for example, Nitin was playing, so it goes under past continuous. When the telephone rang, bell rang, that is simple past, right? So let's get further with past perfect tense. Past perfect tense form, you can see on the screen, had plus past participle. So past participle means V3, verb third form. So subject plus had plus past participle. Here we don't have option. Like in present we had option has or have. Where if subject is in singular we can use has, subject is in plural have. Here we don't have option, we have to put had plus past participle form of the verb. Its positive example is I had played, he had played. Means whether you are using subject in singular or plural, we have only one helping verb we can use here, and that is had plus V3, past participle form of the verb. Its negative sentence is, example is I had not played, he had not played. Means after the helping verb had, we have to put not according to the form, as it is negative sentence. Third is interrogative sentence, and its example is had he played, question mark. Why had he not played, question mark. Let's get into the uses of past perfect tense. So uses are, first, to express action completed before a given past moment, or when two action happens in the past, this tense is used to denote the first action. For example, the train had left before we reached the station. So the train had left before we reached the station. Two tenses are used. Second one, it is also used with such verb as hope, expect, think, etc. to suggest that a past hope, desire, intention, etc. was not realized. Example, I had hoped that I would pass. Okay, to express some hope or expectation or thought or desire, intention that we can express. So that in that it will be under past perfect tense. Let's move further to past perfect continuous tense. Its form is subject plus had plus been plus ing form of the verb. Had been plus ing. There is no option. Compulsory we have to use had plus been plus ing. Perfect continuous. Perfect also and continuous also. Means continuous means ing also, and perfect means had plus been. Positive form sentence is I had been playing or she had been playing. For negative sentence, we have to put not after helping verb had. Example, I had not been playing, she had not been playing. As it is negative sentence, we have to put not after helping verb. What is the helping verb here? Had. For interrogative sentence, had you been playing? Question mark. Had she been playing? Question mark. Compulsory, remember one thing, question mark is compulsory under every interrogative sentences. Let's move further into uses of past perfect continuous tense. This tense is used to express an action which began before a definite moment in the past, had continued up to that moment and was still in progress at that moment, or had very recently finished. See, this tense is used to express an action which began before a definite moment, which already began at some past moment, had continued up to that moment, which means till now it is continuing, or was still in progress at that moment, or had very recently finished. Example, I was very tired when I met you because I had been working in the field for 4 hours. So, these were some of the examples. This was the topic which we have discussed today. Past tense has 4 forms: simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, and past perfect continuous tense. Hope you understood this video. Part 2 for tenses. Thank you.